gonna have this thing rising kind of like a bad batch of Viagra down here this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are in the area, this is a flood-prone area and are looking about 45.2 feet is what they're predicting. So make sure you got what you need if you got to float out.
On the Cape Fear River, predicted to crest at 2 a.m. These dramatic pictures show the river climbing to 60 feet.
It's pretty rough. This is the worst I've ever seen it.
From the air and from the ground, search and rescue teams working around the clock to pull families to safety.
Oh man, I feel better now.
The rising water stranding people and their pets.
It's abandoned here. Yeah, you don't know what's going on, but you know you got to get out of there.
In Lumberton, a failed emergency berm allowing the river to flow into the city. Now hundreds of thousands throughout the state are still without power. Residents forced to wait hours in long lines to buy gas.
Madhouse. Everyone is trying to get gas and people are just fighting.
Where is all this water coming from? It's coming from the Cross Creek. Cross Creek is just on the other side of where that fire hydrant is. That overflowed and jumped its banks. And Cross Creek actually flows into the Cape Fear River. That's at flood stage right now. So that's why we're seeing all of this here. And we're not done yet. There's a mandatory evacuation order for people who live within a mile of the Cape Fear River.